Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. In this video we are discussing some of the technology updates. So the first update, Jio introduces cheapest prepaid recharge plan in India and costs ₹1 for 30 days. So Jio's cheapest prepaid recharge plan offers 100 MB of data per month. So Jio ₹1 prepaid recharge plan is unrivaled as of now, and users will get a 64 kbps of data speed once 100 MB limit is reached. Jio also silently revised the ₹119 prepaid recharge plan. So Jio ₹1 prepaid recharge plan can be found in the value section under other plans. So Jio has silently introduced a new prepaid recharge plan. So the new plan is also the cheapest prepaid recharge plan in the country and also by any network providers in the country. It costs ₹1 and has a validity of 30 days. The cheapest recharge plan is great for users who don't want to purchase more data than required. Furthermore, the recharge plan is visible on the My Jio app but not on the website, and Jio has also revised its ₹119 prepaid recharge plan, making it the most affordable offering in its unlimited plans portfolio. So ₹1 prepaid recharge plan for Jio comes with 30 days of validity and 100 MB of data, and once users consume the said data they will get a 64 kbps of internet browsing speed. So Jio's new recharge plan can be found in the value section under other plans in the My Jio app but not on the website. So recharging this plan if used 10 times would give users almost 1 GB of high-speed data, which will still be cheaper than the dedicated 1 GB data plan, which costs ₹15 per month. So Jio introduces cheapest prepaid recharge plan in India and costs ₹1 for 30 days. Then Vivo S12 Pro price specifications leak ahead of December 22 launch. Microsoft Teams brings end-to-end encryption support to one-on-one calls. Jio introduces cheapest prepaid recharge plan in India and costs ₹1 for 30 days. WhatsApp launches digital payments also in India and adopts 500 villages in Maharashtra and Karnataka. NASA selects Axiom for second private space mission to International Space Station. Twitter finally rolls out automatic captions for videos and mobile on web. Jio introduces ₹1 recharge plan with 100 MB data for 30 days. Netflix India plans refreshed now start at ₹149 per month. NASA's Parker solar probe enters Sun's atmosphere for the first time. Spider-Man No Way Home tickets now live across India. Apple's upcoming iPhone SE 5G could help attract billion-plus Android users. Google announces Android 12 Go edition with new privacy controls. Realme 4K Smart Google TV Stick review. Oppo unveils its first commercial smart glass wearable. OnePlus iWan OnePlus Nord 2 CE price in Indian specifications tipped. Spider-Man No Way Home. Then WhatsApp rolls out voice message review feature to let you review your recording before sending. Vivo V23 Pro specifications tipped by Geekbench has MediaTek Dimensity 1200 SoC and 8 GB RAM. Android 12 Go edition set to launch in 2022 and brings improved privacy controls and battery life and new features. Jio introduces cheapest prepaid recharge plan in India and costs ₹1 for 30 days. Vivo S12 Pro price and specifications leak ahead of December 22 launch. So these are some of the technology updates, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.